Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to work on this mechanical drawing. As we are told here that the drawing below shows the part of machine in first angle projection with details of various parts. With the part completely assembled, draw question A the section AA, question B the plan, and question C the left side view. So as we are told that these views are given in first angle projection, as indicated here also, this is the front elevation, this is the plan. Then we are going to take this part, so which is called central block. We are going to put it here. Then we take this pin, so we insert it here together with this to enter into this one and also enter into this. Then we are going to produce the sectional view, as we are told here that we should produce section AA. So that is what we are going to do here. So let's go and see how this can be done. Alright, to draw section AA, what we are going to do first is to draw a horizontal center line here. So we draw horizontal center line. So here on this surface here, so we draw a horizontal center line and it goes so in this direction. Okay. Alright, so we have what we have this. Then we are going to be working on this. So we are going to, so I need a set square. Okay, so we are going to draw this part first, then we now insert this in it, then we put this one. Then as it is a sectional view, there are some part that we are going to reveal, so which are hidden in the given view. So because it is these are orthographic views, as we are told, but when we draw the sectional view, some part will be revealed, which we are going to see as we proceed. Now, so we are going to draw this part, this one, we are going to draw it, and then we have the distance from this, from here. So from here to this end is 82 millimeters. So I will take that. So that 82, and then total distance from here up, as we have here. So so here we have what we have 18. Then here we have 58. Then we have what we have. Okay, it is 58. So 58 and 18. So that is what I'm going to do first. So first of all, so I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So I will draw a vertical line at this point like this. Okay, then I'm going to take a measurement of 80, not even 82, it is 87 millimeters. So I'll take a measurement of 87 millimeters from here. 87 millimeters. So this is 87 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So a vertical line at this point. So here we draw a vertical line. So here. Okay. Alright, so having drawn the vertical line, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that 58 that we are given, I will divide it into 2. So 58 by 2 will give us 29. So I will take 29 millimeters up and 29 millimeters down. 29 millimeters. So this is 29 millimeters down. Then I will take 29 millimeters up. So making it 58. So this is it. Okay. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so from this point I will take 18 millimeters down. 18 millimeters down. So this is 18 millimeters here. Then I will also come up here. So I need to extend this line. So extend this line. Then I will take 18 millimeters. This 18 millimeters. So that's what we have there. So then, and for this part that we have here, so the total, so I think we see that. So okay, so for this part that we have, okay, I should be able to bring this out by the time I draw this part here. So because this line are together and this line are together, they are on the same line, so this will come out by the time I get this part. Okay, so let's go and see that. So so what I need to do now, I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. Here I will draw a horizontal line, and at this point also, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so it goes forward like this. Okay, so it goes forward. Here also I will draw horizontal line at this point, and then here I will also draw horizontal line. So this goes forward like this. So then the next thing I'm going to do is that as we have here, that distance from here to here, so distance from here to here is 49. So 49. So we take that 49 millimeters. So 49 millimeters. So this is 49 millimeters. So this is 49 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a vertical line through this point. So a vertical line through this point. So it goes like this. Okay, so we take it down like this. Okay, so that is what we have there. So looking at what we have here, then so this part has come out now. So what we have here, so this is it here. So it has come out. So then for this hole, for the hole, so that is within this part, so we have that it is what the diameter of this hole is 34 millimeters. So that 34 by 2. So 34 by 2 will give us 17. To give us 17. So I'm going to take from this center line, I will take 17 millimeters. So 17 millimeters down. So this is 17. So here is 17 millimeters. And 17 millimeters up to make it 34. So this is it. Okay, so I'm going to draw this line. So I'm going to draw this line. So like this. Okay, so I will also draw it. I'm supposed to draw it to this side, but just let me leave it like that. Okay. So from what we have here, so another thing that we have here is the distance from here to here. Distance from here to here is 37. So from here to here is 37. So to get this part, we have to take that 37. So we are going to take 37. So from here, I will take 37 millimeters. So this is 37 millimeters here. I'm going to draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line. So through this point. So this is 37. So this is 37 millimeters here. So then we have this. So we have produced this. So what I need to do now is that, so we also have a hole. So we have a hole here. So this hole that we have here, so the diameter is 18. So as I can see here, so this is 18. The diameter is 18 millimeters. So if I just say it is 18 millimeters, so we have the hole. So we have it here. So I need to get the center of that hole. So for the hole, so as we are given here, so the distance of this point from this end is 8 millimeters. So I have to come here. So I have to come to this point here and take 8 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters. Okay. Then the diameter of the hole is 18. So 18 millimeters from here. So I take 18 millimeters from here. Okay, so this is 18 millimeters. So half of 18 is 9. So to get the center line of that, so I'm going to draw a vertical center line. So through this point first. So it goes like this, a vertical center line. So it goes like this. Then, so this line, I'm going to draw this line, and I will draw this line. Then I will come here and also I will produce this line, and also I will produce this line. Alright, so then, so this line that we have here, it has to get to this point, So with what we have done here, we are bringing up the sectional view little by little. So let me tick in the part that I need to tick here for you to see what we have done so far while I pause the video. Alright, we need to go on and insert the the pin, and also we put the collar. So we put it there, the pin and the collar as we have here, we have to put them there. So with the split pin that we have here, so let's do that. So for this pin, so we have that the distance from this end to this end here is 108, and distance from here to here is 8. Then from here to here we have this to be 27 millimeters. So we have to do that, and we also have this being placed here, but let's draw this one first. So we are inserting it, but before that we also need to insert this part. That is the first thing. So we have to put this here. Okay, so distance from here to here is 58, which we have already taken from here to here. So what you just need to do is to produce this part, because our total distance from here to here is 34. So that is 34. Okay, it's 34. So we have to take 34. So from here, so we take 34 first. So first of all, take 34 millimeters. So 34 millimeters. So we take 34 millimeters. So from here, so from this point, so we are inserting it here. Okay, we need to take 34. It is from this end that we take 34 millimeters. So there's a space there. So we take 34 from here, from this end. Okay, so this is 34 millimeters. So this is 34 millimeters. So here we are going to draw a vertical line here. So here we draw a vertical line. So like this. So we draw this vertical line like this. So having drawn the vertical line, so then we are going to take okay, so so the length from here to this end is also 34. So I have to draw this. So I have to draw this horizontal line. I have to extend this horizontal line. So I extend this horizontal line. Okay, so having extend this horizontal line, I will take 34 millimeters from here. So this is 34 millimeters. So then at this point we are going to draw the vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line here like this. Then what is the width? So it's also 34. So I'm going to take 17 millimeters, so which I've already done here. So this is also 34. I can just extend this one to this side and then extend this one, so to meet this one. Okay, so we have this. Then there is a hole inside, so with 18 millimeters diameter. So I will take 9 millimeters down. So 9 millimeters down here, and 9 millimeters up here, making 18 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw this as horizontal line. I will also draw this as horizontal line. Okay, so this is what we have. So then, so we have inserted this part. We have inserted this part there. So now we need to put this one. We need to put the pin. So the length is so first of all, have 8 millimeters. We are going to draw that here. So that 8 millimeters we have taken, that is the thickness at this end. So 8 millimeters. So we have that 8 millimeters. So let's first of all do that. So this is 8 millimeters here. Okay. So here we are going to draw horizontal line here. So we have that. Then from this point here, so we are going to take 108 millimeters. 108 millimeters. So 108 millimeters. So this is 108. So 108 millimeters. So I need to extend this center line a bit. So 108. So we have it at this point. So this is 108. So we have that. So then so we are going to extend. So we are going to extend this. So we extend this one, and we extend this also. Okay. So then what we have at this end. So the width of the base of the pin is 27 millimeters, 27 millimeters. So that's the diameter of that end. Is circular. So I'll just make it 28. That means I'll just take 14 millimeters. So 14 millimeters to the left side and 14 millimeters to the right side. So making it 28 millimeters. So this is 28 millimeters here. Okay, so here now I'm going to draw a vertical line at this end, so make it a thick line. Then I'll also draw it here, so making it a thick line. And then so I'll also draw this. Okay, so we'll also make this line a thick line here. Alright, so we have that. So then so for the collar, so we have the wideness is 27. So I'll just come here and extend this line, so it goes up here, and this one also goes up. Instead of 27, I made it 28. So okay, then the okay, so that, and then so the height is 14. The height is 14 millimeters. So here I will take 14 millimeters up. So this is 14 millimeters here. So if I take it here also, so that I can use my ruler to produce that. So this is it. Okay, so then so this is the end. Okay, so this is the end of the pin. So we need to draw this line. Okay, so we have that. So then so this line now we are going to see this part of the boat. So we see it all through to this point, and then we see this all through to this point here. Okay, all right. So then another thing that we have here, so we have the hole. There is a hole in the pin. So whose center from this end is 7 millimeters. This is it. Is 7 millimeters. We also need to show that hole, and we are told that for that hole, okay, the diameter is 4. Diameter is 4. So first of all, take a measurement of 7 millimeters down from this point on the pin. So we take 7 millimeters down. Okay. So this is 7 millimeters. So we draw a center line here. Here we draw a center line. Okay, so I'll just use my hand to produce that. So it is very small. That is 4 millimeters in diameter. So I'll just leave it like that. So then, so what we need to do now is to bring out the part that we can see. So for this one now, so this will be a thick line. So this will be a thick line from here to here. Okay. Then, so this is going to be a thick line. We are going to see this. So we are going to see this as a thick line. So from here down here. Okay. So we also see this as a thick line from here down to this point. Yeah. Okay. So then, so this will also be, so we also make this a thick line. from here to here. So this will be a thick line. Okay, so this will also be a thick line. So the part that we are going to hash, we are going to see it together. So this will be a thick line and this will be a thick line. So let me pause the video and do that while when I'm done, I will come and show you the next thing that we are to do. So now, having assembled the part together, the next thing that we are going to do is to hash the part that we are going to see hashed, the solid part. So this is solid part, so all to here. And for this one, this we have this to be solid part. And then don't forget that we have different components that we assemble together. We are not going to hash this pin. We are not hatching it. So we are not hatching it. Then this one we are not going to hatch. This just a plain surface. We are not hatching it, but we are hatching this part, this, and this. This is just a one component. So we need to hatch them in the same direction. While this one we need to hash it in different direction. Also this we need to hash it in different directions. So let's see it together. So for this one, I'm starting by this. I'm going to do my hatching in this direction. So it goes like this. Okay. So so let me do that while I pause the video because of time. So I'll do that while I pause the video. So hatching lines, they are drawn with a thin continuous line. So with and they are equally spaced and they should be parallel to each other. So that's what we need to bear in mind. Okay. So I'll do that while I pause the video, and when I'm done, you will see the final result. Alright, so this is the final result. So do not forget to write section AA down here. So this we assembled it and we also draw the sectional view of the block as we are asked to, or the machine part as we are asked to do. It's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.